Hey, Reagan. Are you not going to talk to me? Hey, didn't you want chocolate? Turn over. Don't you want chocolate? Okay, say Becky. Alright, no chocolate.
Chocolate.
Alright, say Becky.
Daddy.
Say Marcus.
Daddy.
Daddy. Say Amy.
Me.
Say Chalika. Say Chalika.
Tata.
Say Reagan.
Mimi.
Say Madeline.
Sushi.
Sissy. Say Becky.
Daddy.
Say I'm a star. You're a star. Say Dora.
Dora.
Sing Twinkle Twinkle to me. Do it. Say twinkle twinkle. You're not gonna do it? Don't you want your chocolate?
Chocolate.
Okay. Sing Twinkle Twinkle. Where are you going? Are you coming back? Are you coming back? Okay. Alright. Reagan, are you done? You gonna come play? Chocolate? Alright, come here and talk to me. Okay, I'm gonna go eat my chocolate by myself. You want chocolate? Okay, ready? Say Marcus. Where's Marcus? Reagan, where's Marcus at? He's at work. Where's Sissy at?
Bye-bye.
She went bye-bye. Did she go swimming? Swimming? She went to the water? Yeah, she went to the water. Is she coming back? Yeah? Come on. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Reagan, can you tell your friends bye-bye? Say bye-bye, friends.
Bye.